Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to talk everything full face makeup today. Everything past the eyes. So we're going to talk blush, bronzer, highlight, concealer, foundation. I'm going to give you a quick way to get ready in under 5 minutes. Everything you need to just get out the door. Wherever you're going, we're going to make sure that you are there on time and looking good. So I just apply 2 pumps to the back of my hand and I start from there. So I take my Beauty Blender, tap it in, and I just start applying. So I'm going to use, actually I have a sample right now because I am out of the It Cosmetics concealer here. Today is a really great day for this because my allergies are totally kicking my butt. Trees are really bad here right now. So I'm gonna go in and cover some of these dark circles. I'm actually using an eyeshadow brush. It's big and fluffy. You can just go in, get any spots, blend it out. A lot of times people say just under their eye or just kind of right in here. You actually usually need to go down your nose a little bit to really get those dark circles. Blending. Blend, blend, blend. Most important part of any makeup routine. All right, so now you can tell by the time that we've done foundation and concealer, everything just looks a little flat, kind of all one color. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna do a little contouring. My thing about contouring, I don't think everybody needs a full face of contour. I really just think you need wherever the natural shadows hit on your face. So if you think about being lit from above, wherever the shadows would fall is where you need some contour. Just kind of highlight those natural things. So you can see right here, for me, it's in the hollows of my cheeks. So traditionally with bronzer or contour, people say to make a 3 or an E across the face. I don't really do a lot up here. I just really like this little piece down here. So I'm using Sephora face powder in Los Cabos and an angled brush here. Just gonna go in and hit that little shadow kind of through the hollow right there and down my chin just a little bit. And I try not to go any further in than about halfway through my eye. Other side. So the key here is you shouldn't ever really look like you're wearing a ton of makeup. You don't really want somebody to look at you and think, oh my gosh, look at that contour. Just go in, get the edges. Blending, word of the day. So we're starting to get a little bit of depth and a little bit of color. Now that my concealer has set a little bit, I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. And this is a must-have step for everyone. I have a really light fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna lock that powder in. I'm not gonna bake it or do anything crazy. I'm just gonna take a really light layer and just lock it in. That will help your makeup from melting. That will help things from creasing. And then whatever's left on the brush, I just kind of set my foundation a little bit. Kind of right in the T-zone where you get a little shiny. Next, I take a big fluffy blush brush and I use Bobbi Brown's blush in Pretty Pink. And here you just kind of go right on the apple of your cheek. The blush you think of as like a sunburn. So we've done your shadow. Now where do you usually get sunburn? Right on the tips of your cheeks. I don't actually want you to get a sunburn, but we can fake a little sun-kissed glow. Last step, your face anyway, is highlight. I have Becca in Moonstone. I prefer a really light, not gold highlight for me, just because of my coloring and personal preference. I have the Sephora Pro Contour Brush 79 that I really like for highlight. And highlight is where the sun hits. So we've done shadows, sunburn, and now where the sun hits, which is kind of right on this orbital bone right here. Again, I try not to take it more than halfway in on my eye. So just getting where you would get a little bit of that sunshine if you were out in the light. And now you can see that I've kind of got product and foundation everywhere. So since it's covering my eyebrows a little bit, I'm going to take Anastasia's Brow Gel and I'm just going to go a little bit in, kind of bring some of that color back out. Now this isn't my full brow routine, but it's just a quick everyday. You're running out the door, you just need a little bit of life. I once heard that the eyebrows were the curtains to your eyes and your eyes are the windows to your soul. So just give them a little extra frame. Also you can see that I have some foundation and stuff on my lips and I forgot to bring a lippy over, so give me 1 minute. Today I have my favorite Pat McGrath Lust Gloss in Aphrodisiac. And that is it. And luckily I'm out of time because I have a cranky puppy. Here. Mama's dead. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. If you want to see more, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe, like, follow along. We love sharing with you guys. So thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you again soon.